Hi, this is Josh from Rego Consulting.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the time period function to create comparisons to previous periods, as well as the number format function so that you can make negative values appear in red or in parentheses or however you choose to display them. So let's get started here. The first thing I want to do is add a second column here to show the previous month. So if I come in here and select to insert a formula column, I'll create a column for previous month. And this is where we'll use our time period function. We will choose the metric that we want to compare, and then how far back we want to compare it. So I'm going to choose -1, which represents 1 month in the past. And I'm going to select currency formatting and no decimal places. So after I create that, I can now see my current month cost compared to my previous month cost. The last thing I want to do is be able to see the percent of change between those two. So to do that, we need to first find the difference between those two. So we'll say the cost minus previous month, and that will need to be in parentheses, and then divide that by the original value of cost. So now this is a percent, so if I create this, I can now see the percent of difference between the current month and the previous month. But as you see here, it did put it in percentage, but negative values don't show in red, and it doesn't, and they're not wrapped in parentheses. So what I can do to update that is go back in and edit this column, and instead of choosing percent, I can choose an advanced formatting, and then I can apply whatever formatting I want to this. So what I'll do is copy it off of my cheat sheet here and then paste it in there so that you can see. And so this is the formatting that I want to apply to the output. So now when I update it, you can see that positive percentages are in black, negative percentages are red, and also wrapped in parentheses. And so this is how here we've used the time period function to compare our current month cost to 1 month previous, as well as formatting the output using the number format function.
So I hope you found this helpful. This is Josh from Rego Consulting. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or visit regoconsulting.com.